Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download CCleaner. So for downloading this, click on Window key and then search Microsoft Store and then open it. And inside the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here CCleaner. So here you can see CCleaner is showing. Now click on it. Now click on install to download it. So here you can see CCleaner is downloading. So by using this, you can clean up your computer to speed up and fix your Windows. So here you can see it is downloading. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So let's see. So here you can see it is downloaded and launched. So now click on Start CCleaner. So by clicking on Run your first scan, you can scan your computer and clean up. So this is how you can download CCleaner and use it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.